Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to create another chart. So let's go to copy this one, Control A, and then Control C. So copy and then Control V, paste. And then take this one, put it here. See guys how it's simple. So simple to become a master data analyst. When you understand in your inside data or in your inside project, everything easy to analyze, everything easy to understand. And when you to do your project, so easy to build your project. And in this way, you are going to make a better decision. You are going to help so many people about data analysis. Data analysis becoming now is one of the most popular languages in my previous video, become all around the world. So let's to change from here. Just click here like this, and then maybe go to change something else. Okay, water. Okay, waterfall, or we wanted to take funnel. You see guys how it's working, and also socket. Okay, maybe take to cluster varchar, cluster column. See guys, it's so simple to become a master in data analysis. See? Yes, you can play with the. Okay, last to leave this one. It's look perfect, right? Now you can standing in your inside that, or if you're not understanding, that's to get a 3 more. Okay, go to line and also put area. See, because you are going to play with this one, I want to use water. Okay, guys, how to understanding your data. Then also from here, you are going to change whatever you want. Just click like this, go to conformant here, and then to y-axis, and then legend. To see if you want to legend flow. Look how it's changed. So I just want to be opening a legend, and you have here gradient. If you want to buy dot, or you want to be sold, so whatever you want, guys, you are going to play with here, and then to become one of the most professional in data analytic project. And also you have a horizontal and then gradients, so many data labels. You see, guys. So data labels, understanding it is decreasing or increasing. You see the green line is the increasing, and then red line is the decreasing, and also leave like this. If you want, it's dependent on you. And so on title, we are going to change your title from here. So this title we are going to change, and then font size, I leave it in. And if you want to change for another, so you have a many font line here. You see, you can change whatever you want, and here size, and then color this one blue, because I want to be everything blue here, and so on, guys. So if you have any question, please write me down in comment, I'm going to help you. You are going to build like this dashboard. So there's so many things. You're going to change of the background. This one, the text color. You have it is the white. Okay, let's go to another things down. Okay, text. I say it on the middle center. This one on the middle center. If you want left or right, and then text warp. If you want or to running on, I want to turning on. And that's subtitles, guys. If you want to be subtitles in your visualization or divider, I don't want to be divided. If you want to, guys, give any space, I give 5 space here for vertical. If you want to give 5, that whatever you want. So hiding icon, give it and then tool types. So text, you don't all text, you don't need anything but effect here. So guys, if you want to background, this background white one, if you want to change to another color, we are going to change because I want it to be white color because everything in the white. And if you want it to change, and then also what else? This one, transparency. So if no 0, you will not get this one. You are going to get another color. You have to be most to be 0, but you are going to get this one. And then border. Before in this one, we already made a border, guys. Remember how to put a border here, just to turning one, and then to give a size of border. And then yes, what else here? This one, the y-axis, and then axis. So if you want to change the colors, you see, guys, this one. If you want to go to change the color, you just click here, and then there are so many colors you are going to change. So it's changed to red. If you want, you see, it's changed to red. So these are, guys, mention you with color you are going to use it here. Go to this one. That's the solid. Last two, this one. Yeah, it won't look perfect. And then max area height 25. So on y-axis, stem, and also what we have down here, the legend stem. That's the ingredient. This one I already talked it. So this is the, guys, a way you are going to create your full stack data analyze, and it's Power BI, Microsoft, or this artificial AI, artificial intelligence. They look perfect to understanding your inside your business. This is what is so important now uh, in Power BI. I hope you're learning something new here. To see you in my next career. So we are almost done here. We already have a few things here to do, and then our uh, data, our dashboard be ready. Everything here, everything working. Look, guys, how it's changed. Wow, you are going to love it in the final of this course. Then you are going to be how to be master in data analysis. So guys, if you're new here, like, subscribe, and to make share. And those who want to become a data analyst, to learning for free. So this course, I just want to make you for free to learning. Thank you, and that's you made the likes and subscribe. That give me more appreciations to make another videos and guys to learning for free. And if you have any question, write me down, comment. So I'm here to help you. Bye for now.